Hi, we're Callum and Tash and Rosie, and we quit our 9 to 5s to live and travel full-time in our DIY van conversion. Follow our life on the road and subscribe to our van life travel channel. In our last video, the weather had cleared up and we were able to spend more time outside and check out a few of the things South and North Uist had to offer.
We then hopped on the ferry at Bernary Port to take the hour-long trip to our next destination, Liverpool Port on the Isle of Harris.
First, we had to fill up our 3 28-litre water tanks from a tap next to some closed public toilets. And then made our way to the glorious Luscantaya beach. We're on Luscantaya beach on the west coast of Paris, and we were going to go walk the whole beach.
Yeah, so...
Which I'm not sure how long that is actually.
From that rock all the way up there, and then it actually goes around. So we're going to go get our 10,000 steps in. So I'll have a look at what steps are on now, and then I'll tell you what we're on at the end. Alright, so it's 20 to 6. Sun's going down. The phone says we've only done 1,582 steps, so we're going to walk all the way to the end, and then we'll see what the steps are on, and then we'll probably just walk back in the dark, just get back in the van. Let's go. We just did I looked at my phone and I had 4G, and I was like, you know what, this is such a cool place. And then we went on Instagram Live, which was really cool. And big up Polly and big up Sam and Molly for joining us on the call. Good to talk, good to catch up. See you soon, I guess. But yeah, that was quite fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Then it started to rain.
Yes, we're starting to rain now, so we need to finish our walk because we're still just like slap bang in the middle, and it's getting dark as well. So we've just come in from the rain. It's now very dark outside. God, it started raining like 5 minutes before we got to the van. It couldn't wait, could it?
Not even that, literally like 2 minutes, just enough to drench us.
How many steps did we do then? 6,179. So we didn't get 10k, but tomorrow we'll go on a walk. So we put this rope across at the moment, and then we sort of hang the iPad over there like this. And then this is how we watch TV. It's pretty ghetto, isn't it?
It works though.
Daryl just told us to go home.
I didn't hear that.
Alright, and now we're off to the Isle of Skye to go check out a lighthouse, and then from there, the view, we should be able to see Skye. And then what we're hoping to do is when we're on Skye, be able to see Harris and Lewis. So we're at Island Glass Lighthouse on Harris and Lewis, and I don't know if you can just see over there in the distance, it's very faint, but that is the Isle of Skye. And it's pretty cool that we can see it from the Outer Hebrides, and I wonder if we get the good weather to see the Outer Hebrides from Skye when we go there in a few days. We're having lots of condensation issues this winter, aren't we?
Yep.
Windows are always so wet. So we're going to have to look into how to deal with condensation.
We then hopped on the Stornoway ferry to make the trip to Ullapool, back on the mainland, and then drove 2.5 hours to reach the Isle of Skye.